Hello everyone, this is my review of the Dumost Countertop Ice Maker. The setup was straightforward. Just fill the water tank, plug it in, and within 6 minutes you've got your first batch of bullet-shaped ice. It looks sleek and feels durable with its compact handle design. I was amazed at how fast and quiet it runs, about 40 decibels, similar to a refrigerator. It makes up to 26 pounds of ice daily, about 1.5 liters tank capacity, and has the size options. The built-in self-clean function is super handy. Holding the power button for 5 seconds to activate it saved me the hassle of manual cleaning. Some things to note: the internal basket is a bit small. It may require frequent emptying if you're serving many guests or need continuous ice flow. While noise is generally low, it's not whisper quiet, especially when cubes are dispensing or the compressor runs. It delivers fast, clean ice with nearly no fuss, perfect for small kitchens, camping, or home bars. If capacity isn't a priority and you'd like low maintenance, it's a solid pick. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.